October 7, 2009. And here is the Mississippi River. Oops, here. Mississippi River. That one. It's almost 2 hours drive from here to our home, according to the GPS. Thanks for the GPS. We can go back home without any worry or getting lost. Here is the GPS. Yeah, GPS. Tell them thanks to the GPS, we can go back home. Especially mommy, who needs something. Say hi. We're here in Mississippi River. Oh, we are, yeah, Mississippi River in Wisconsin. Say Wisconsin. Wisconsin. This is our favorite place. Actually, my first place that I really fell in love with. Because it's so beautiful. Very beautiful place.
Take exit 3A at right to US 53 South.
See the sign, La Crosse. La Crosse. This is a Great River State Trail City. There's a bicycle trail at the side, and it's so beautiful. Sometime next year, we will going to bike over here. We love biking during spring, summer, and fall. Except when we're busy, then we cannot able to do that.
In 0.2 miles, keep right onto WI 53 South.
So aside from me, there's the GPS that's nagging my husband where to go. And it has a woman's voice.
WI 53 South.
Yeah, this is Mississippi River. Oops, be careful, be careful.